Hmm. Soft glam looks simple, but if your makeup always turn out to be too heavy or too dull, you are doing this wrong. Let me show you how to get it right. Hey, my loves, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Msmetics and I simplify makeup so it can actually make sense, okay? And today I'm showing you a very detailed step-by-step soft glam makeup tutorial, especially for black women. This look is soft, radiant, and perfect for any occasion, whether you're a beginner or just want to refine your technique, okay? First off, I started by cleansing her face and then moving on to my micellar cleansing water because skin prep is important. And don't worry, I will explain everything as we go, okay? What I'm using and I'm using it and the mistakes to avoid. So right now I'm using the moisturizer from elf. Elf is a drugstore product, okay? And this particular elf moisturizer is good for oily skin. So one of the important steps you need to know is skin prep. Soft glam makeup always starts with the skin, okay? If your base isn't right, nothing else will sit properly. And I'm starting with cleansing of the face and then moving to moisturizer, and then I hydrated the skin. This helps your makeup to sit smoothly and not looking patchy. And then next off, I'm going in with this aqua grip primer, focusing on areas where I naturally know that the client will get oily, okay? And this way the pores are more visible. You need to know your client's skin type before you apply primer. Primer is absolutely very important. For oily skin, you apply a mattifying primer, while for dry skin, you need to apply a moisturizing primer. Okay? If your makeup breaks or look cakey, it's usually because of poor skin prep and not the foundation. And this is the reason why it is very, very important for your skin prep to dry properly before you apply foundation. Now for the base, which is this next step of foundation, this is where the magic happens. And I'm applying my foundation evenly and blending it into the skin using this Real Technique brush. The goal is skin light and not heavy. When you dab, okay? For foundation application, just do what works best for you. For me, I like to apply foundation using a brush. Tap on the skin gently before I like to go in with a damp beauty blender. And then when blending my foundation, I like to start at the middle of the face, okay? Blend outward before moving upward, okay? And then the excesses remaining on the foundation brush, I usually just apply that under a neck, which is a neckline. When I'm done using a brush, I usually go back to use a damp beauty sponge, okay, for a more natural finish look, especially for soft glam. So guys, make sure you get yourself a beauty sponge. It's also called a beauty blender. Concealer. I'm applying concealer under her eyes. I love this method. It's also called the highlight and the contour. What this does is to brighten under your eyes and to also uplift your face shape, okay? Oftentimes people are worried about highlight under their eyes. They feel it's much until you have properly blended it to gain their confidence, okay? So it's very important that you apply concealer under the eyes, on the forehead, and then on the chin to brighten and uplift the face. As for the chin, that is what I'm doing now. These are areas that you should apply your highlight, which is your concealer on. and it's advisable that you blend gently. Blend, just blend. See, blending is very important too. One of the most important things you need to learn in makeup is to blend, and give yourself grace. Be patient with yourself. Don't feel, oh, you're not getting it right, and then you now want to stop, or you want to quit makeup, or you don't even want to do your makeup anymore. No, reject that feeling. Keep blending. Anytime you're applying your makeup and it's not going the way you want it, just pause and think of what exactly is wrong. It can't be the entire makeup that is wrong. Obviously, there is something that is wrong. If you think the makeup is looking patchy and too cakey, probably your skin prep step was not okay. Okay, it's not about applying foundation. Next off is me applying blush. I already apply a contour, and then I'm just blending a blush. She didn't want so much blush, so I'm also trying to make it natural and yet beautiful. Okay, oftentimes people don't even want blush, including her. She didn't want blush, but I was like, girl, we need to apply this blush, because blush is something that had warmth and color to one's skin. Okay, guys, sorry, this voiceover, you could feel that my breath is a bit heavy. I'm not really feeling well. I'm just trying so hard to do this voiceover because I need to give you guys something for today. Okay, so I'm just trying so hard to do this voiceover, so please pardon my breath on this voiceover, pardon my voice on this video. Okay, thank you. Next off is me using a MAC powder to define the entire face. After your foundation application, of course, you need to apply a powder to set the entire thing. Okay, setting is very important, and I'm setting my lighted areas with powder to lock everything in. Then I will now lightly set the rest of your face. Okay, so don't over powder your skin. Soft glam should still look like you. Okay, so don't over powder your skin, because soft glam should still look like you. You're right. The lips, I'm going with a nude combo. Okay, I line the lip with a soft lip stain called Beauty by Jones. And guess what, guys? They are back. So I applied the Beauty by Jones lip stain and then asked her to smack her lips. Then I went into this classic colorless gloss. Took a bit of that on my brush and at the back of my hand, and then I applied a lipstick. When I'm done with that, I went in with my one size finishing spray. Guys, this is the final look. Soft, radiant and effortless. If you enjoyed this tutorial, do not forget to like, subscribe and share this with someone who wants to improve their makeup. And yes, also let me know in the comment section what part of makeup do you struggle with the most. I'd love to read it and help you out. Okay, I will see you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys. Mwah.